pretty short, right?
Yeah, pretty short, yeah.
Okay, there's Axel supervising. All right, Lakeisha, now give us, see the tools you're going to be using for this thing.
Wall, scissors.
Wall scissors?
Yeah.
Came with this,
With the set.
okay.
And then wall clippers.
Yeah. Nice.
And a little comb pick.
Comb pick.
And that's it.
You got enough charge on it to get us through?
So. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Have at it. Axel, are you ready to go? You're next.
So first we're going to just cut off some of these locks.
Holy cow.
Souvenir.
Really? Titus, turn your head sideways just a little bit. Okay. You want to get a little something for that, for the droppings? Or let it go? The birds?
Yeah.
Birds are out. Springtime here in Connecticut. Dang, Titus making quick work. Oh boy. Cut a little front first. Let's see what, cut a little front action. There you go. Now you went to beautician school, didn't you, Lakeisha?
I did. I went to hairdressing school
Did you?
back in the day. Yeah.
Wow.
Right down on State Street in New London.
Oh really?
Yeah.
What, 165 State?
Something like that. Yeah.
Wow.
Yep. Hairdressing Academy.
Yeah.
Mary Jo taught there for, oh my God, probably 30 years.
Mary Jo?
Yep.
Hmm.
All right, Ty.
Is that it?
Wow. Looks good already.
Yeah, we got to take it way down.
So handsome. All right.
Jeez. All right, we'll be right back. All right. Keep chopping.
Okay.
Keep chopping. Hey, you asked for it, you got it.
I'm so proud of you, honey.
Oh, yeah. Hey, plus, you know, the beautiful thing? It still grow out.
Yep. Absolutely.
I can't wait for that clipper to come out. What's the story with that?
All right, we're just cutting it down here,
Mm-hmm.
and we can get the clipper to it.
All right.
Yes.
Axel, you don't seem too excited for this whole event. Axel, come on, let's go for a ride. Let's go, buddy. Woo. Sit. Sit down now. Sit. Sit.
All right, Ty.
Here comes the fun. Feels good, all right, Titus?
Yeah. Feels strange.
Feel good and look good.
Not having enough hair.
Yeah, looking sharp already. How about we do a side hawk? You can just shave half and then leave the other half.
We can do that.
Huh? See how it looks.
Just do it then, huh?
Let's see how it looks, Lakeisha. Look at that, man. That'd be something different, wouldn't it? That's the beauty, like just like a cooking recipe or whatever, hairstyling. You can have it however you want. You can create a whole new fashion there, Titus. Yeah, half shaved. Well, Nakia's got that, right? A little bit, huh?
Yeah, that's a look.
And
I had it at one point too.
and Cassie had it too, right?
You don't remember?
Yeah. Cassie had it.
Lines on the side.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you can cut a line into Titus's on one side. I will be right back. I thought you were going to give him the close shave, you know, the military cut.
Oh, no.
Huh?
No military cut, no.
Come on now.
No, I can't, no. I'm sorry.
Really?
I have a weird head shape.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Whoever told you that?
I don't know. Like,
You don't have a weird head shape.
No, you don't.
prefer
Now, I got a weird head shape.
I prefer not to get a military cut.
Wow, looking clean, man. Looking fresh. Holy
Fresh
cow.
and clean.
But it's still got to come off some serious off the top. A little shorter,
You
no?
think so?
Definitely.
No.
Yeah.
That's not how he wants it.
How about in the front? You got to trim that front down.
No. I love the front.
No, you can't. Easy. Watch out. Watch your fingers. There you go. There you go. I think you need a little bit off of that front. Seriously, it's kind of... Come at it from the front, Lakeisha. Can we shave Axel down a little bit?
Max.
Come on. Let's give him a little shave. Axel, you ready? You're on deck. You're on deck, brother. Huh? See this technique. Oh, yeah. Who needs a barber? You know, like, right? That's better than a barber shop.
Yeah.
Oh, a little uneven, but that's the problem is you get a little uneven, you start taking it off, you might as well just take it right down.
Right.
Right, Titus?
No. I'd rather have it be uneven.
Really?
Yeah, I hate how I look with short hair.
You what?
I really don't like how I look with short hair.
Oh, come on, man.
Handsome face.
That's right.
You kidding me?
That's looking so great, Titus. I'm not kidding. Gotta shave that neck down a little bit, Keisha.
Oh yeah.
All right, we'll be right back.
Oh yeah.
How you gonna turn it on? Okay, this is what Eduardo showed me how to do, right? To get all even. Now you gotta do it like this, see? Look. See? See how you get the right length. Right? I should have. Let's start our own little deal here. What do barbers normally get? See that? Look. Eduardo down in Texas, he showed me how to cut my own hair.
How much do you pay, Ty, for a haircut?
$20. 2015.
Right? See? Oh man, see? That's what you gotta get at, man. You gotta
Get down in there.
And I just gotta edge it up and you're good. Straight. Stay still. There you go. Nice, look at her. Steady like the hands of a diamond cutter. It's like creating a sculpture, right, Lakeisha? Huh? Choose, get a little bit of time and
Trimming the hedges.
trimming the hedges. You give it a little tighter on the side there.
No.
No, I mean where it's shaved a little closer. Yeah. Hey.
All right, Ty.
Let's see. Turn sideways, Titus. Look. See? Nice. Very nice. Oh yeah.
All right, let's.
In a week, if it's a little uneven, it grows back in a week. So we're all good.
Mm-hmm.
I look at the camera now, both of you. Hey, is Daddy Jack's cool with the blues? Quarantine barbershop right here. Corona. COVID. Was it COVID?
COVID-19.
COVID-19 barbershop classic. Later on.
This one hurt.
No.
Now comes the seasoning, we call that in the barber trade. Little fine. I had to bring out my shaver. And so get in there fine and dandy. Put a little extra seasoning off on it. Edge it. We'll call that edging in trade. Axel, how do you want yours done now? Huh?
You gotta not move.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Good. All right, Daddy Jack's cool with the blues here. Nice work, y'all.
Thank you.
All right, Titus, look this way. You want to say something to the fans out there, friends?
Have a good day.
Get all cleaned up. We're spring cleaning.
Mm-hmm.
Here, cooking with the blues.